How to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can clean up your microwave. So I have this microwave here, and on purpose I made it dirty. Kind of like been using it and not cleaning it just so I can make the video for you guys. This all could be easily clean, and this one is not that dirty because we normally keep it clean, but you know, it hasn't been cleaned up for a little bit, and you can see it's a lot of dirt. You can probably see it now. So I'm going to be showing you a very easy way that you can clean all this without using a lot of elbow grease, and let's get to it. Alright, so very first thing you need to do is make this mixture, and the way I made it is just use distilled white vinegar, and I had half a cup of white vinegar, in fact a little bit more than half a cup of white vinegar, and then I diluted it with regular tap water. So I would say, you know, maybe use 60-65% white vinegar and the rest use water. You do want to use water, don't just use all white vinegar, because you do want you do want that water to evaporate and make the steam, and the water helps with that, you know. So if it's too concentrated, it might not do a good job. And you know, one thing I do is you don't really have to wash it, but I did wash my thing. It was too dirty, and then I'm gonna be putting this back on. Make sure you have all this connected. You know, you don't want to just put this over there and sitting still. You do want this to be rotating on top of this plate. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in the microwave. Okay, so there it is. You know, just make sure it's easily rotating. Put this in the center and close the microwave, and we're gonna run this for, I'm gonna do it mine at 5 minutes. Now you may want to do it a little bit longer depending on you know, what your power is. You know, if it's set too low, you may want to increase that. So mine is pretty good. You know, the way you tell is basically if your microwave, you know, heats up the food pretty fast. Like, so for example, if you put something in there for like 30 seconds, if you put a water in there and you see it getting really hot in 30 seconds, that means the microwave heats up pretty fast. So you may don't have to do it. Some people do it for 7 minutes. So it all depends, you know. And you can start seeing some of the buildup of moisture inside as well, so the steam. So run it. I'm gonna run this, and once it's done, leave the door closed. You don't want to open it because you don't want all that steam to escape. And what that does, it kind of loosen up all that grease and stuff and the gunk that's in there, and then it's just a matter of just wiping it off. So I'm gonna wait for it to finish, and then we'll come back and see how it is. Okay, so here you can see how the water is boiling, and I have about like 30 seconds left. So here you can see, and this is what you want. You want the water to be boiling. If you get too close, it's hard to see, but you can see from here. So now we're gonna stop. It's almost done, and you're not supposed to open the door because you want the steam to work, but I just want you guys to see the steam that it put together. See how the steam is escaping right there, and just want to show you the rag how easy it comes off. So all that stuff, for example, see how easily it comes off. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this, run it for another 2 minutes because I opened the door, and then we're gonna leave it there, let the steam do its magic even more, and then come back, wipe everything off. Okay, so I waited a little bit, and as you can see, the steam did its job, and I'm gonna start wiping some of this off. You can see how easily it's cleaning. Now, whatever rag you're using, just make sure you don't use that rag again. Just get rid of it, because all grease, so there's no way you can wash this thing off. So just wipe it. Now you can also moisten your cloth with that same vinegar that you put in there. You can use that, you know, it just kind of helps, you know, clean all that. So that's it. As you can see how easy it is, and everything is just coming off very easy. And you may want to wipe the door and everything, and just make sure if you're using one side of it, don't use the same side elsewhere, because then you're going to be pretty much spreading the same grease. So you may want to keep extra rags and you know, clean and use the cleaner side of that rag, so you don't use the same stuff all around. So that's it, guys. You know, hopefully this video helps you guys clean up your microwave. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but it's just a matter of wiping some of the stuff off. Some of the stuff that is in the corner, you can just use a brush and you know, get everything out like this, and it does come off, as you can see. And you just have to wipe it off. You can see this corner is so much cleaner than this corner. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you like the video, guys. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.